IQ Option is an online trading platform that allows users to trade a variety of financial instruments such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, and options. It provides a user-friendly interface and offers various tools and features for trading. People can use IQ Option for several purposes. Trading. Users can buy and sell various financial assets using IQ Option's platform. They can speculate on the price movements of different assets and potentially profit from these fluctuations. Investing. Some users may use IQ Option as a platform for long-term investing, buying and holding assets with the goal of generating returns over time. Learning. IQ Option offers educational resources such as tutorials, webinars, and articles to help users learn about trading and investing in financial markets. IQ Option is suitable for experienced traders. Experienced traders who have a good understanding of financial markets and trading strategies may find IQ Option suitable for executing their trading strategy. Beginners. The platform's user-friendly interface and educational resources make it suitable for beginners who are new to trading and want to learn how to trade financial assets. Active traders. Active traders who frequently buy and sell assets may find IQ Options platform convenient for executing trades quickly and efficiently. Benefits of using IQ Option include user-friendly interface. IQ Option provides a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for users to navigate the platform and execute trades. Diverse asset selection. The platform offers a wide range of financial instruments, allowing users to trade various assets based on their preferences and investment strategies. Go to IQ Option today and start earning good money with investments. Link below video description. Thank you for watching our video.